Right, today I'm going to talk to you about the Canon 250D. You're going to use this for mainly like for college, school. It is a sort of entry-level camera. So I'm going to go through the menu on this camera for you to use. Okay, so if you click on this Q button, so obviously switch the camera on first, and then this will come up, and this is all touch screen. So if you press the Q button, it will give you options like built-in flash, go back out, creative assistance, where you can add these effects like this, okay, and you can select them by just like literally touching the screen. I am in auto mode, so like it's on this camera, it's A, which is a little dial, so you can move this around to get your various things. So if I click on these, you can select different filters that you can use for your photography and your filming making. So if you're shooting in auto and you're going out filming or photographing, these filters are quite useful to get like color grading. So if you're shooting a horror film, you can have it more cool, you can have it more vivid. If you're shooting a romance, you can have it more warm, okay? And this will allow you to have those settings automatically. There are other things here, so if you click on this, you've got like blurred, so you can have like your background blurred, or you can have it all in focus. So like for example, if you're shooting on a horror film, you might want the background to be out of focus, so select the blurred feature. You got brightness, so you can increase and decrease the brightness of your shot. You've got a contrast, and you've also got saturation, color tone. You've got two color tones. You've got monochromatic, and again you can select different ones. So like blue, for example, will give you a slightly bluer tint. Okay, this little icon will take you back again to the main screen. It's got built-in flash, so you can have it on auto, or you can sort of select for it to pop up. So always use when the flash is on, or have it on auto. This little tab here goes back, okay, so if you click on that, it will go back to the main screen. This one here again, if you click on that, go back to Q, it will tell you the battery life, it will tell you the Wi-Fi signal, and it will give you the creative mode. If you click on this icon, this icon will allow you to view the pictures, and you can click on this little icon to delete pictures. Okay, so at the moment I'm in auto mode, and those are the settings for auto mode. So if you are taking this camera out and you're shooting video in auto mode, those are the settings for auto mode. Thank you for watching.